Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex market data for you. Today we are providing an in-depth analysis of the USDJPY currency pair. First, let's look at the most up-to-date news and events. Recent Google searches and financial websites show that the USDJPY is currently trading near 156.259 Japanese yen. This represents a 0.73% increase in the past 24 hours. Some sources suggest caution due to recent U.S. inflation data. Other sources point to the Bank of Japan's potential interest rate hikes. There's significant speculation on both sides of the market. However, it's important to remember that these are merely speculative views. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts to corroborate this information. Here is the one-day candlestick chart for USDJPY. We observe a recent upward trend, aligning with the recent price increase. Notice the significant price swing with high volume over the last few days. Notice the 147 support from earlier this year. The recent upward momentum seems to be a temporary trend. We can notice consolidation between 150 and 155. This consolidation is important for determining the trend. Zooming into the 1-hour chart offers a finer-grained perspective. We can see more specific details of the daily movements. There is a slight downward trend. This recent downward movement corresponds to the more cautious forecasts we saw earlier. This is why it's useful to view candlestick charts in multiple time frames. Let's analyze the 15-minute chart to identify potential short-term trading opportunities. This time frame can be more sensitive to sudden news events. Short-term support is at 157. Resistance is at 158. We can see some short-term trend reversals in the chart. Combining the information from the three charts provides a powerful way to improve trading strategies. Let's focus on a specific period of higher volatility from the one-day chart. This range shows consolidation and a big trend reversal. This was likely caused by the events discussed earlier in the video. The longer the consolidation, the larger the movement once the break happens. To summarize, we've analyzed current events and their potential impact on USDJPY. Short-term support and resistance areas are observed at 157 and 158 on the 1-hour chart. The one-day chart shows potential support around 150 and resistance around 155. The 15-minute chart displays short-term reversals. The likelihood of the USDJPY breaking out of the 150 to 155 range is moderate, with a slight bias to the upside. Conditions such as positive economic news or aggressive interest rate hikes could increase the likelihood of an upward breakout. Alternatively, negative economic data or unexpected events might lead to a downward movement. Be on the lookout for signs of breaking out of consolidation periods. Remember, this is not financial advice, and always do your own research before trading.